In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save posts in LinkedIn. First things first, you want to go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to relax and casually scroll through your feed, just like you normally do when you're browsing. As you're scrolling, you might stumble upon a post that really piques your interest. It could be a valuable career tip, an inspiring motivational quote, or perhaps an insightful article that you'd love to revisit at a later time. Rather than trying to memorize where you saw it, LinkedIn offers a super convenient feature that lets you save the post for easy access later. So imagine you found this great post that you definitely don't want to lose. What you're going to want to do is look up towards the top right corner of that post. You'll notice 3 small horizontal dots sitting there right beside the X icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you do this, you're going to see a small menu appear with several different options. It's from this menu that you'll simply want to select the option that says Save. Now that you've clicked Save, LinkedIn does all the heavy lifting for you by automatically storing that post in your Saved Items folder. This means there's no need for you to frantically take a screenshot or jot down any links. Rest assured, the post is neatly saved in one place. Anytime you get the urge to revisit your saved posts, all you need to do is head over to your profile or the Save section where you'll find them waiting for you. It really is super convenient, especially if you're someone who enjoys keeping track of posts that inspire you, teach you something new, or even just make you laugh or ponder. And there you have it. You now know how to save posts on LinkedIn. This might be a simple process, but it's one of those handy little features that can significantly enhance your LinkedIn experience by making it more organized and efficient. So the next time you come across a post that grabs your attention, don't just let it pass by. Make sure to save it so you can easily return to it anytime you'd like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks for sticking around, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.